Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Home Decoration Ideas Latest Designing United States Country Style Here and There. I hope that all of you will be blessed by the guidance of Allah Ta'ala. In today's video I have brought for you in which I will tell you how you can make the ideas of your outdoor fireplace decoration and turn it into a beautiful mosque in beautiful English country style. You can see that I bring smiling rich videos for you every day. Home decoration related videos that is great nice looking of your favorite home. If you are new to my YouTube channel, then subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest videos. It is amazing nice looking of your favorite home, interior decoration ideas, and this channel is Home Decoration Ideas Latest Designing United States Country Style Here and There. In this you can see how you can decorate your outdoor fireplace and how you can decorate the chairs kept in it and apart from this, and how you can decorate the table kept in entry for tea. All this, it is amazing nice looking. Show this again, very beautiful and very comfortable ideas, your favorite home decoration ideas. It is amazing nice looking. I hope you like it this video, and I am really excited to share this video. Thanks for watching.